Namaste, I'm Shiva Swati, and this video is about explaining that education is of the soul, mind and body, not just the soul and or the mind or the body. So the schooling system of today is only educating the body and the mind. It is not taking care of the soul or the reason for your birth. If you spend your life doing things which are not the reason for your birth, you are moving away from the path of soul evolution and inner happiness. Diseases and unhappiness will strike you more and more as you grow up. You will be met by fraud as of credit cards or different payment institutions, um, uh, like Paytm, where you are fooled, and then they cut money and you are suddenly helpless on why the money has been cut, because you are so used to fraud and you are so much suppressed in schooling. When you speak against fraud, when you ask why are these subjects taught, you are suppressed again and again. So you become used to living like worms in humanity, and this the soul is fighting against. So the soul of the new age, the soul of Satyug, wants truth to come out. It does not like hypocrisy, it does not like cheating, it does not like working for rituals like marriages. The soul, the new youth of today, does not like porn or sexual affairs. The new youth of today wants justice, wants truth and wants true love. So you have to give them a chance to be truthful. The schooling system needs to be permanently closed than opened. Teachers need to be rehabilitated in other education systems like social media. New B.Ed should be closed as a course, and a new, you need to train teachers into online education, and different methods of educating students through YouTube and through social media, and taking exams probably once a year, or teaching vocational on the job training as used to be done before 200 years. So the last 200 years has led to a huge technological revolution, but it has led to extreme increase in violence, in terrorism, and no increase in happiness virtually. People are almost as happy now as they were 2000 years ago when Jesus Christ lived. There has been no development in happiness per se. In spite of so many new machines being built, happiness has not increased, and happiness needs to be targeted now. Like science was targeted 200 years ago, now happiness and emotional management need to be targeted in schooling. Meditation needs to be taught with looking upwards, so that children realize that when they look upwards they cannot think, and when they cannot think they are in neutral zones of thoughtlessness, and when they are thoughtless they can evolve from vicious circles of negativities. So the center of the Chakravyuh is the school, and the method out of the Chakravyuh, which Arjun knew, was to move backwards. So you have to close the schooling system and come out. Though it is a defeat, but the defeat sometimes is the only way to come out of a corrupt system of existence, and schooling is at the core of corruption. You are teaching children to lie to themselves, to cheat to get marks, to fool themselves into believing that what they are learning is relevant, which it is not relevant. You are giving marks for concepts like the child should know how many rivers are there in the country. This child should know all the spellings of the words in the dictionary. So these are concepts which you don't need in everyday life, and you are rewarding these concepts. But when the child comes into everyday life problems, he does not know how to solve these problems because he has never learnt it. He has only learned to memorize rivers. So this system of education is faulty. It needs to be permanently closed. If you forcibly open it, the pandemic will increase, it will be again closed, then it will again open, and over time aggression will increase and it will lead to a third world war. You have to close schooling completely if you do not want the third world war. If you genuinely care for betterment of humanity and welfare for humanity, and not simply for paying salaries to quieten voices. If you genuinely care, you will rehabilitate you can rehabilitate the teachers into better professions, which give them also more contentment than schooling does. So this is a wrong decision to open schools, and it can create problems in the long run. Thank you. Please share, like and subscribe.